Hello, I'm Liana with Tough Little Ranch on the Prairie, and I got a surprise for you guys today. We got a new addition to the farm a couple days ago, and it's time to feed them. They're starting to make some noise. They're getting hungry. So, welcome to our 15 new little piglets that we got. Morning, piggies. They're getting all cozied up under the hay, or in the straw down here and under their heat lamp. They've been making some noise. They want me to get their breakfast ready, so we're gonna get their pellets ready for them here this morning. These guys are pretty small, so we're gonna feed them a small pellet mixed with some warm water that I brought from the house. So let me get my camera on here. Little straw in their pan. So the pellets that the piglets are eating are pretty small compared to like the goat pellets. You can see how little they are. So we're gonna mix this with some warm water, and it's gonna kind of make like a mash, and that's what they really like to eat. It's kind of like eating oatmeal. Mix it up a little bit. It's right about freezing temperature here this morning, so I decided I'll bring out some warm water from the house. I think they'll enjoy that a lot more than just adding cold water to this. So let's see if we can get them to come out and eat. Come on, piggies. They hear you playing around in it, and they know it's chow time. For being so little, they're pretty smart. They are hungry. Are you gonna get in there? Slow down, you'll all get some. They get really messy. Their faces just get messy and dirty in there. Just piling up. They are hungry. I should have had some feed out here for them earlier, but I really wanted to get them on video. So if they finish all this, we'll get them some more. We'll make sure everybody gets a full belly. A couple of them are still chilling under the heat lamp over here. You want to get some screen time, little buddy? You're all gonna get some food. These piglets weren't born here. We got them from a friend. We're hoping that we're gonna have some piglets sometime. Well, gestation is about 4 months. We haven't put the boar in just yet with the sow, but hopefully we'll get that done soon, and then maybe plan it so that they'll be born once the weather should be turning a little bit warmer here in Minnesota. It's not very fun dealing with little babies when it's really, really cold out. It's just so much harder on them, just trying to keep them warm. So it's better to plan it to breed them when it's gonna be warmer. They like to make their voices heard and let you know that they're not getting in the feed right now. You get some? Yeah, you got a messy little face. This one here is just standing right in the pan. Come on, buddy, move out of there. You stand outside and eat, then it works better. There, now you can see that they're getting in there and eating. Some of them are getting a little feed in their belly, so they're feeling a little bit more content, not piling up in there so much. Yeah, you guys like that stuff, don't ya? Get you good and warmed up. Come on. You don't have to stand in the fan. You can stand outside. You're just interested in the camera. You're noisy. They have not been finishing their whole pan all at once since I've been feeding them the past couple days, but they'll probably eat at least half of this, and then I'll come back later and add some more warm water to it, just to kind of reheat it, and we'll get it mixed up again, and then they'll be right back into it, eating just like they haven't ate all day once again. These guys are probably around 10 pounds right now. 8 to 10 pounds, I suppose. Some of them are a little bit smaller. They grow pretty fast. Usually when you raise pigs, it's, I don't know, probably around about 6 months before they go to market. So they're a fast animal to get some meat. A lot of people really like their pork, so it's pretty popular. Yeah, you guys are alright. I think we're gonna add a little bit more water in there, and then we're gonna go about the rest of our chores. We'll check in on these guys later. Get them on camera again in a couple days, and I'm sure you'll be able to see their change in size, how much they've grown already. Thanks for watching. Keep checking back for more updates on our piglets. Please like our page, subscribe to our page, like our videos. Thanks for watching.